Welcome to Matakana Superfoods. Today we're going to be making a green smoothie super drink. Firstly, you'll need a blender. We need some green organic vegetables, including some green curly kale, some spinach, some regular kale, some mint and parsley if you have them, to some water and apple juice, a banana and a couple of apples. To this mix we're going to add Matakana Superfoods Maki berry powder. Maki berry has the highest antioxidant score of any fruit. We will also add a teaspoon of camu camu powder, which has the highest score of natural vitamin C. An optional extra is to add a tablespoon of chia. Chia seed is fantastic for the digestion. It slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, keeps you feeling full for longer and feeling energised. Once you've added your fruit and de-stalked greens to the blender, add the water and apple juice, followed by the maki and camu camu powders. Finally, add the chia seeds, which have sat in water for 10 to 15 minutes and formed a gel. By drinking this Matakana Superfoods green smoothie, you will be getting a full cross-section of phytonutrients, trace elements, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. What's more, it's a great way to detox. This is a great healthy drink for the whole family. If you need any more information, go to www.matakanasuperfoods.com.